Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into AngioDynamics' fiscal year 2026 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. AngioDynamics, a leader in medical technology, has just released their Q1 2026 results, showing significant growth in their medtech segment. I'm excited to break down the numbers and what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. And let's start with the top line. AngioDynamics reported net sales of $75.7 million, a 12.2% increase year over year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by the medtech segment, which saw a remarkable 26.1% increase in sales. This includes strong performances from their Orion peripheral atherectomy platform and the NanoKnife system. Additionally, their adjusted EBITDA improved to $2.2 million from a negative position last year, indicating better operational efficiencies.
And how is their cash position looking?
They ended the quarter with $38.8 million in cash and cash equivalents, which is ahead of expectations. This positions them well to be cash flow positive for the full fiscal year 2026.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of minus 40 cents. How did AngioDynamics perform in this regard?
AngioDynamics reported an adjusted EPS of minus 10 cents, beating the forecast of minus 14 cents from two analysts. This is a positive surprise, showing that the company is managing its costs effectively despite the GAAP loss per share of 26.
What does this mean for investors?
Beating the EPS forecast is a good sign for investors, as it indicates that the company is on a path to improving profitability, even if they are still reporting losses on a GAAP basis.
Strategic initiatives and clinical trials. AngioDynamics has been active on the clinical front. Can you tell us more about their recent trials and studies?
Absolutely. They've enrolled the first patients in both the Ambition BTK and Recover AV trials, which are significant for expanding their clinical applications. Additionally, the NanoKnife Preserve study results were published, showing promising outcomes in prostate cancer treatment. These initiatives highlight their commitment to advancing medical technology and expanding treatment options.
How do these initiatives impact their market position?
These trials and studies not only enhance their product offerings, but also strengthen their position in the medical technology market by providing evidence-based data to support broader access to their innovative treatments.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, AngioDynamics has raised its guidance for fiscal year 2026. What are the key highlights?
They've increased their net sales guidance to $313 million and expect medtech net sales growth of 14 to 16%. Adjusted EPS guidance has also been raised to a range of 30-23. Importantly, they continue to expect to be cash flow positive for the full year, which is a strong indicator of financial health.
What does this revised guidance suggest about their future performance?
The raised guidance reflects confidence in their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies. It suggests that AngioDynamics is well-positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities and deliver sustained value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, AngioDynamics has delivered a strong start to fiscal year 2026 with impressive growth in their medtech segment and a positive outlook for the year. John, any final thoughts?
AngioDynamics is demonstrating robust growth and operational improvements. Their strategic focus on innovative technologies and clinical expansion is paying off, making them an attractive prospect for investors looking for growth in the medtech space.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AngioDynamics performance in the comments below.